Today I'm going to teach you how to create a template in Power BI. Templates are incredibly useful because they allow you to standardize your report designs and reuse them across multiple projects, saving you significant time and effort in the long run. First, let's start by opening your Power BI desktop application. Once the application launches and you're on the main workspace, direct your attention to the top menu bar where you'll find various tabs. Click on Insert to access the insertion options available for your report. After clicking Insert, you'll see several options appear. Look for Shapes and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu displaying different shape options you can add to your report. For this example, we're going to use the rounded rectangle option, so go ahead and click it. The rounded rectangle is a popular choice for creating clean, professional-looking template elements. Once you've selected the rounded rectangle, it will appear on your canvas. Now you'll want to resize it to fit your design needs. Simply click and drag the corners or edges of the rectangle until it reaches your desired size. This shape will serve as one of the foundational elements of your template. With your shape selected and properly sized, shift your attention to the right side of the screen. Here you'll find the Format Shape panel, which gives you control over various visual properties. Click on Style within this panel to access styling options for your rectangle. Now it's time to customize the appearance. Change the color of the rectangle to match your branding or design preferences. This color selection is important as it will be part of your reusable template, so choose something that aligns with your organization's visual identity. Next, locate the toggle button for text within the format options and click it. This enables you to add text directly onto your shape. Once activated, click on the text field that appears on the rectangle itself. Now you can input your desired text into the text field. This could be a title, a label, or any other text element you want to include in your template. After typing your text, adjust the font size to ensure it's readable and properly proportioned to your rectangle. You can do this using the formatting options available. Once you're satisfied with your template design, navigate to the top menu and click on File. This opens the File menu where you'll find various save and export options. From the File menu, click on Save As. This is crucial because we're not just saving a regular Power BI file, we're creating a template file with a different format. A dialog box will appear asking you to select a file location. Choose where you want to save your template file, somewhere you can easily locate it later when you need to reuse this design. Now comes the most important part. Input a file name for your template in the designated field. Then, click the drop-down menu beside Save as Type. From the options that appear, select Power BI Template Files, which has the file extension .pbet. This specific file type is what makes your work reusable as a template, rather than a standard Power BI report file. And that's it. You've successfully created a Power BI template that you can now use repeatedly for future projects. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.